If your cold email says, "I can edit gaming, finance, or lifestyle vlogs," you might think you were demonstrating versatility. The client, however, sees someone who hasn't mastered a single format. I call this authority dilution. Every time you add an unrelated niche to your pitch, your perceived expertise in the client's specific niche drops. When a high-ticket finance channel hires an editor, they are not looking for someone who knows how to use Premiere Pro. They are looking for a specialist who understands the visual pacing of financial education, graph animations, and retention architecture for an older demographic.
Hiring a new editor is a massive risk for a creator. If a video flops because the pacing is wrong, the algorithm punishes their channel for weeks. Most editors think a diverse portfolio proves technical skill, but creators don't buy technical skill. They buy the mitigation of risk. If a client's channel is entirely about true crime storytelling and they see a flashy fitness montage in your reel, it creates cognitive friction. They immediately wonder if your editing style will ruin their serious tone. You do not need to abandon other niches, but you must isolate your pitches. You need a dedicated, hyper-specific portfolio and pitch for each vertical. When I build outreach campaigns, I use Authority, a local-first desktop app built for freelance video editors. Authority's Pro tier supports multiple portfolios, allowing you to manage distinct positioning texts for different client types. If I am pitching a tech reviewer, I select my tech portfolio inside the app. When the local AI drafts the cold email based on the client's screenshot, it strictly references my tech-focused pacing and relevant case studies. The client never knows I also edit gaming videos on the weekends.
Sometimes we lie to ourselves about who we are actually pitching. You might say you are a documentary editor, but your sent folder is full of random lifestyle vloggers because you got desperate. Authority tracks your pipeline in a local CRM, which is just a plain CSV file stored on your machine. The built-in Insights dashboard scans this file and automatically flags a niche mismatch if you are targeting leads outside your stated niche. In my experience, when editors clean up their targeting and stop pitching outside their specific vertical, their reply rate stabilizes.
The framework for the specialized pitch. Name their exact sub-niche. Diagnose a specific visual friction point inherent to that niche, and offer a targeted fix. For example, I specialize exclusively in retention editing for financial education channels. I audited your last video and noticed the B-roll pacing during the technical breakdowns is dragging your AVD. Here is how I structure graph animations to hold viewer attention. Stop being a generalist. Pick a vertical, align your portfolio, and pitch as an expert.